Hi, I'm Rhonda, and this is Challenging Kitchen. Tonight, I'm going to be making a hearty ham, egg, and cheese English muffin sandwich for my husband and one of his co-workers. All I'm going to do right now is slice up some of this ham steak into about 1/8 to 1/4 inch slices. There. I want to try and get as many slices as evenly as possible. That way each person has about the same amount of ham on their sandwich. There, that looks about right. Shave that off right there. And there we have it. After slicing the ham, I went ahead and checked my farm fresh eggs. Yep, they're still good. Continuing on, we're just going to spray the nonstick spray in the pan. And I'm going to put my little eggy cups in the pan. There we go. And spray the inside of the eggy cup. And then start cracking our eggs. I'm doing 2 because I want this to be a very hearty, healthy breakfast. Two eggs in each cup. Perfect. Oops. Got a little eggshell in there. As the eggs continue to cook, I'm just going to add just a little bit of pepper. And my husband likes garlic, so I'll be adding that in a little bit. You want to poke the egg yolk because you don't want to have a sandwich and you bite into it and the yolk goes all over you. We don't want that to happen. Now I'm just going to slice my English muffins and toast them in my oven. Only a slight toast because remember, they're going to be heating this up tomorrow morning. Once our eggs have set up a bit, I'm going to flip them over and let them cook on the other side. If you have this happen, just gather it up with your spatula and try to make it as round as possible. It's all good. The boys will eat it. Now I'm going to be adding some more garlic because my husband loves garlic. He'd put it on a peanut butter sandwich if he could, but I'll pass on that one. And a little bit more pepper. Just a touch. I'm going to be using a, it's not American cheese, it's a cheddar cheese. And it's really tasty. Yes, it's a Hoffman sharp cheddar cheese. Very nice. You can grab it at the deli. They have it on sale sometimes, $4.99, $5.99. Pick it up if you can. It's really good. Now I'm just going to add that already cooked ham. My husband cooked it on the grill the night before. I just want to warm it through, get a little golden brown on it. Now, as you can see, my English muffins are not real toasty because they're going to heat this up tomorrow morning. Gently removing my eggs from the pan and placing it on the bottom part of the English muffin. And now our ham. Doesn't that look good? There we go. Doesn't that look like a hearty sandwich right there? You won't be finding this at your local drive-thru, that's for sure. Now I'm just going to wrap this up in some wax paper. That way it'll make it easier for them to heat up. They're just going to pop it in a microwave and devour this sandwich. I do really appreciate you stopping by Challenging Kitchen. Let me know if you're going to give this a try. I hope that you do. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and may God bless you.